right, to start off, I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now from factory. So let me hit that again. So that's them from factory. So let's climb in the truck and put it in reverse, see what she looks like. All right, so I'm gonna crank her up. That's what we're looking at right now. So those are standard halogen lights. That's in my garage. We're seeing that it's kind of dim, and that's what you're going to be looking at with your standard. If you never replace LEDs, this is your view. So let's go ahead and show you how to install the LEDs, and we will compare the two. All right, so we're going to start with the driver's side. So take these two screws out. There's one. There's two. All right, so what you do is put a little bit of leverage right here. Just pops out, and then pull it towards you. That is all, folks. So now we just twist this. You find obviously the reverse light. You just twist it to the left, and I'm gonna set this down right there. Take the bulb out. Take the new bulb. Stick the new bulb in, and now we're going to reverse. So twist it right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So this is what you want to do though. You just want to line everything back up, and first you want to go straight in and then pop it like that, and that is all. So we're going to take our two screws. Don't over tighten these. Just give it one little bump, and screw that in. Oop, a little bit too much. That's okay. We're good. So that's done. That tail light is installed. So before we install the other one, let's just see them simultaneously together. So let's check that out real quick. All right, so got the first one installed. We're checking them out. So let's see what they look like. There we go. So you can already tell that left side, well, the driver's side, is a lot brighter. So let's continue on and see how she looks. All right, so now we're doing the left side, passenger side. Same deal. Take the screw out. Take the second screw out. Pop this way. Pull straight towards you. Alright, so we're going to twist it to the left. We're going to pop this bulb out. So what I forgot to mention was everything on the truck is DC, obviously. So there's a positive or negative. So if you get this reversed, no harm, no foul. Take the bulb out, turn it around the other way. So if you want to, what you can do is when you slide that in, go ahead and before we put it back on, and you can see that I have already installed it incorrectly. So flip it around, boom, and she illuminates. So, but it's no big deal. So, you know, before you install the headlight, just go ahead and make sure it lights up. So let me turn that out so I can actually see. All right, so we're gonna stick this back in. turn it to the right. So now we're going to line these screws back up. Pop it in that way first and then to the left. So that's it. That bulb is installed as well. So let's take this screw and take the other screw. Alright, so we're good to go. So they're both working. So I'm going to show you the back view of them, and then we'll climb in the cab and see what she looks like when we put it in reverse. Alright, so we're going to turn these lights on, and they are way brighter in my opinion. So let's climb in the truck, put it in reverse, see what she looks like. And we're gonna crank it up again. Alright, so definitely brighter, I think. So when you're backing up to a truck or to a trailer or a boat, I think it's going to be a lot better. So visibility is going to be much better. Plan on installing a LED strip with a reverse light eventually. It's not my top priority. Definitely want to do it. Kind of deciding on which one to go with, but yeah, that's the comparison. So, you know, the LEDs seem definitely a little bit brighter. So, and they're going to last a lot longer. You're not going to have to worry about replacing them. So, if you like this video, hit the like and make sure you subscribe. So, plan on pushing out as many videos as I can. So, definitely enjoy doing mods. So until next time, we'll see you guys later.